Hey Tyler, how you doing, buddy?
Good, mate. How are you today?
Mate, happy days. So, here to do a little bit of grooming today.
Yeah.
Mate, you seem groomed already.
I've had a bit of a recent spruce up.
Hey.
Yeah, shorter on the sides, but a bit of stubble.
So I'm going to introduce you to the X3 Pro. So this is going to help you maintain your stubble. So if you, I'll give it to you, dude. Turn it on. Working this against your face, nice and square, we're going to work up against the grain. So if you have different grain patterns in your beard, we're going to work up, work down, work forward, work backwards. So if you want to keep it a little bit longer, maybe change your setting to a 2mm now and then go over your moustache and your goatee area. So we're going to connect your beard into your sideburns. So we're going to work with the X6 Pro and work with the fade comb on it, working with a scoop motion, fading the beard into the hair. Good job, dude. Nailed it.
Yeah, excellent. Thanks so much for the tips. I really appreciate it, Jules.
No worries. Pleasure. Thanks for having me around.